So here we go, the night is falling. Usually I start during the day or during the morning, but let's do it at night now because I'm going to be talking a lot and we're going to enjoy night scenery. Hello, if you're new to the channel, do not subscribe to this channel just because you need to enjoy the content first in order to, see if you like it or not. But yeah, just subscribe, like and all that good stuff. It is gonna help me a lot, and we're gonna have fun. Anyway, there's Discord, there's other ways that you can participate in this channel, so just check out the description and the description of the video in the description. Anyway, you have all the links there. Okay, so we have a city here. This brightest thing on the right hand side is a police station. Just behind that there's a big tall tower that we just built and started allowing people to move in here. We still have a problem with a lot of pressure on our shopping center, which is located centrally. Can I do the overlays and then we're gonna do like this. We're gonna go for shops 3 kilometers. I'm just gonna show you where the shops are. One shop is here, lasagna is in the middle, as you can see here where we're circling. The central shop is there, and the big new marked Dreieck. Mark the Dreieck. Okay, that's me butchering German language, which in my CV says that I can speak. Haha, yeah, suck on it, my boss. Anyway, what I wanted to say here is that a shopping center that we initially built here is not fit for purpose because it already is limited with population wise. The new shopping center that we are just finishing is going to be done probably even before the time lapse, so probably I should be getting some vehicles here that are going to be needed. That would be a covered hall, open hall, food delivery. Food, I'm not gonna mess about with this. We have 365,000 at the moment, but let's go. Covered hall. You know what, I'm not gonna mess with anything because all of these vehicles are gonna be used in distribution offices, but we're gonna cross that bridge when we come to it. This is the smaller one, probably bigger one. Yeah, let's go with Skoda. Probably should have gone for something different, and then let's go for total capacity. We need something small for the V3S. No, it's... How about this one? Let's go with this one. And we're gonna need the refrigeration. Refrigerator. And total capacity, again, these are the smallest ones. Vanilla, yeah, that's fine. This is going to be distribution offices that are going to be distributing here. We need the warehouses. I need to build those, and then from these warehouses we're going to be distributing elsewhere. Where we're going to build distribution and warehouses, I don't know. I'm looking here at the topographical map of this area, and only hilltops actually have some flat areas. Everything else is some kind of valleys. This is going to be chemical area, maybe here close to chemicals. Maybe this can be distribution, and then we can maybe make a new road going from here to there, and then here, maybe from here tunnel or something. Maybe not tunnel, but maybe we can have distribution offices on this hilltop. But we'll see. There's recycling that needs to be done as well. We need storage areas for food and stuff. I'm gonna be separating food and other materials that we're gonna need, like other stuff we're gonna need, like steel. So the way I'm not gonna be putting steel, electronic components and other stuff together. That's gonna be totally separated. Regarding the chemical factory, it's slowly progressing. Looks like it needs... We can actually double up on construction of this. You can see here, this construction office is just not doing anything at the moment, so we can just put it on the secondary. On the chemicals, you can see here we need 72 tons of bricks, which was a problem in the last episode. I'm just gonna double check this. This is no longer a problem ish. I mean, obviously they have some. This is delivering more bricks, so we have already half of that in the storage already. These guys are going for bricks, of course they are. We need 11 tons of boards, which we have, and we need 30 tons of steel, which is, again, we have that as well, so that's not a problem. So all the materials are here. We just need to deliver them to the construction site that is over here. Okay, so in this episode I mentioned that we're gonna be finishing this shopping center, which is practically done. We need to wait for the vehicles to come here. You can see some of them already arriving slowly. What's with this? Didn't I start on this? I have a bad case of I don't remember. But anyway, I think I'm gonna just start. No, we don't have enough dumper trucks. I think we're doing too much with the dumper trucks at the moment, so I'm not gonna deal with that now. We are building a couple of roads, and I would like to finish them. So, in this episode, I wanted to address the issues with the car maintenance, and this is in honor of old Gala, because, well, there's nothing wrong with him, he's still there. But what I wanted to say is that we started chatting about the vehicle maintenance. Now, vehicle maintenance is a problem. For example, most of my vehicles, well, some of my vehicles, you can see here, this one is 2 years old. Where is the wear and tear? It's 15% at the moment, after almost 2 years. So it's gonna be a while until it needs a repair of 50%. So if you start managing something, you have quite few years to address it. And I don't even know what's the cause or damage of wear and tear. Like, do they slow down? Do they lose capacity? Does stuff start falling off them? Or, you know, like materials that they're transferring or something? But this definitely looks like it's in a rush. Let's switch this like this, and let's clear this pumping station, because this is obviously the main problem here. This is food being delivered. Are you even getting food? Oh no, we don't have food. It's gonna be fine. Okay, so we have the vehicles here. We said the big one is gonna be for food. Food is gonna be going to the border crossing. Sorry, what? Okay, what? Son of a... Okay, whatever. Food needs to go here, and the vehicle depot. Can you delete the stuff, please? There we go. Here you're gonna be loading food. This is the customs house. Yes, here you're gonna be unloading food. Don't wait until unloaded, just off you go. Change depot, workplace. No, you don't need to go to depot or workplace. I need other small trucks that are refueling here. You can see here are a little bit of a rush hour happening. This is a new one as well. This one has where's the other one? This one and this one, right? So we know what a meat truck does, so we're gonna go for meat truck straight away. And the second is the big shop. This one needs to load meat. We cannot unload anything. And why is it in the opposite direction? What the hell is wrong with this? And you get the hell out of here. Don't go to storage. That's perfectly fine. And then we have these two guys that I need to align myself with. So this one, smaller one, is going to go and take care of the electronics. If I choose this, load electronics, and then this shopping center, unload electronics. Here we go. That's it. Don't go to storage. Good that I checked. And then we have the last one that needs to go to the border crossing, and then it needs to go to here. And then on the border crossing, of course it's wrong. You need to go for clothing. And here you need to unload clothing. Seriously? This one was... that's weird. Department store, customs house. Do you need to go? Off you go. Yeah, that's fine. Do we have any weird ones, odd ones? No, everything is fine. Too bad that these guys can't carry the aluminum construction waste. Whoa. They can carry construction waste. Seriously? That's actually not bad. We can assign these big suckers at the construction site so they can deliver all this massive amounts of waste that we have from construction. I'm gonna consider that. I'm gonna put this under consideration. So vehicles, in order to start repairing them, you actually have to have old vehicles. So that's a little bit of a problem. Seriously? Is this a... what's happening here? Do we have not fuel or something? There's fuel. Go there. Fuel. Come on. Please just don't tell me that you're going to refuel as well. Okay, I think I'm switching this back just because I think this is just becoming a joke, so let them let them deal with this like this, let the vehicles pass. I think this is gonna be a better way of doing it. You see this vehicle, for example, was refueling just a few moments ago, and it's again here. That's probably a sign for me to build actual normal fueling station, normal. Yeah, maybe. I don't see why not, right? Sure, right next to it. Or here, maybe. Yeah, let's do it here. Let's do that while we're here. Actually, you know what? That's going to be for a time lapse. So the next thing we're going to talk is about recycling, but we're going to do that after the time lapse. So let's see each other back in 5. Right, let's start from here. So let's see what just happened here. We got a new building, and I think I selected that they should be populated from local buildings, but I can see that a lot of buildings dropped in their population as well. City overall seems like it was increased a little bit. I'm just worried if they imported any population with money. That can be easily checked here in the population tab, and we can see here immigrants 0. Okay, so they did not populate anybody from immigration, but the happiness of people that were transported here dropped. I'm wondering if there was people that were transported from other towns around here. I don't know how effective this transportation or transferring the people is, but doesn't seem like it's too effective. It's just pulling people from nearby buildings and making them less happy that they have to move. Initially you have a drop in productivity, which can affect your, the productivity of shops and so on. It can go, it can be a snowball effect anyway. You can go belly up really fast. Okay, anyway, so we have chemical plant finished. Chemical plant is finished. There's some upgrades that we need to do. Bus stop is done. Now I can leave it as it is, but we have the last thing missing here, electricity, being well, we just need to finish this. This is again gonna be done in minutes, just because it just needs a couple of people finishing the project. And we have the, you can see here capacity. So I was testing which vehicles we're gonna need for this, and I already ordered them. Here we're gonna have Kolhoznik deliver. I was aiming for faster vehicles because initially we can't do anything about this, but let's just let them unload it. I'm not gonna have storages for this. I would like to start exporting chemicals as soon as possible, and then we're gonna cross the, the whatever, whenever we want, cross the bridge when we get to it, the rest of it, like right. We're gonna I'm gonna assign them as they come back from refueling, and that's it. Okay, let's talk now about the recycling, building maintenance. Oh yeah, building maintenance, I'm just gonna touch upon that. It's like wear and tear. Building maintenance is done by the construction offices that you already have. You set in each one of the construction offices when they're gonna interfere in renewing the building. But we have perfect example here. There was a building over here that was damaged by fire. It has a wear and tear 21. That would be the left hand side one. The right hand side one now, so this one has wear and tear of 20%. In living quality is 81%, which the other one has 4%, and living quality is 85%. So this is a 4% difference, but fear not, this wear and tear is significantly gonna drop when this is going to significantly drop when the wear and tear drops a little bit further. You're going to see that. We're going to continue monitoring. I definitely want to demonstrate this. Okay, so now recycling. Recycling is something that I'm planning to do as well. There's a big garbage dump over there, which I think I would like to empty, or at least start to empty relatively soon-ish. The problem is this water well, which is now already in a really wrong location. I'm looking where we can relocate this water well to, because I think I'm gonna be slowly encroaching on this water well. First of all, we have this building being built. That's our recycling area for the stone construction material recycle area. I'm just gonna do like this. Let's do it like this. Just build it like that. So this is gonna be where the I think this is where the construction vehicles are gonna go and dump all the materials that need to be processed, and then it's gonna be processed into gravel, which I'm hoping that we're gonna be using for ourselves, and then the gravel storage. And again, we're encroaching into our small water well here that is pumping the water for our city over here. I need to be on top of the water consumption as well, because that's gonna be important. Probably if I go to this one and see how much water is passing through here, 16 cubic meters per day and 1 cubic meter per day here, so that's not a lot. We have definitely like 10 times more capacity. We can provide way more water than that. Okay, continuing on, shop started working. Looks like it's working fine. The clothing, look at this. I didn't do this. So let's go 80. And then delete 10 and delete 10. This is how much we need here. Clothing, electronics, and food. We need way more food than we need anything else. The pub is almost done as well. We probably have some good people. What's with the road here? Oh, this is a tunnel. Okay, so why are they not? Ah, because we're missing concrete. Why are we missing concrete? Because groundwork is not assigned to this for some reason. That's fine. We're continuing on. Groundwork will deliver 70 tons of concrete. That's going to be finished. I'm going to use the second construction office to finish the pub here. We do have 5 free distribution offices, but I'm using them for everything that we need now for import of the construction materials. That will be 3 of those here. Actually, I probably could make it 2 of them. What I wanted to do is one of those free distribution offices to start distributing food around here, so at least we're gonna have less trucks on the roads, but I don't know, we'll see. Recycling, as I mentioned, we're starting the first recycling area. That will be a recycling plant for gravel recycling plant, which is gonna be using construction material, which we already have crap load of. And turning it into gravel. What we need, a gravel storage here, and then gravel loading facility. I'm also thinking that it wouldn't be the worst if I put it over there. Let me just see where the conveyor belts are. Dry bulk cargo, aggregates. What? Aggregates here. The hell is this? Seriously? Yeah, let's go with the towers. They're all going in this direction. That's a little bit unfortunate. I wanted some to be like 90 degree in this direction. I'm thinking about putting a storage over here, like if we go to the same one, in the end we have storages, and we have some big and nice storages here, 1000 ton, which is probably decent for us at the moment, or maybe we can even put it here. Yeah, we can even do something like this. Let's see if we can feng shui the sucker. Does this look feng shui? I don't know. There's nothing straight that we can align it to. Probably this is feng shui. So if we do it like this, for example, let's see, F2, that's fine. There we go, and then, did I turn this on correctly? Doesn't matter because it's not being constructed anyway. Input, yeah, we have input on this side as well, so it would be something like this. 1 input, 3 outputs, that's perfectly fine, and then I have something like this. Yeah, something like this. The problem is that this road here already has vehicles on the way, sorry about that. Something like this. I'll start on this. It's gonna be a few episodes probably until we are done with this. There's a lot of stuff that we need to assign construction offices to. I'm gonna go for the extension of the electricity grid. For example, we're gonna definitely need an electricity grid extension in this direction, so I'm gonna do it this way. One thing I know that I'm not gonna be touching, that would be the road here. So let's see how we can avoid contacts with yeah, we can do it like this. Yeah, that would be probably something that I would like to have electricity there. I'm not sure if they're gonna need water. Have a bus stop here, but I'm pretty sure that this bus stop is gonna be in an awkward position to to deliver people here. How much is it? 300 meters. Yeah, I'm not doing any tunnels and stuff like that. We can supply people directly to the gravel processing plant. We can have, does this have an input as well? That's something I would like to consider. We does have an input. Yeah, of course it has an input. We're gonna need input. 3 inputs, 1 output. So for example, this is not a bad idea. So if we put this here, and we're gonna have input, because here next to this one I'm planning to do normal recycling area that's separating, you know, gravel and whatnot. The gravel would go in this direction, sorry, the construction material that needs to be recycled, and then we would have like metals and other stuff that we can probably put elsewhere. I can do the truck transport of these materials before they are recycled, but also we can industrially connect them over here. We do have some flat grounds around here, flat-ish, flat earth grounds around here. But yeah, that would be the next construction projects, to start taking care of our own waste. Use some chemicals for water production, like and then use some chemicals for the toxic waste treatment. That would be medical waste that we have. So yeah, all in all, this looks like it's gonna be a beautiful, beautiful setup. I'm already loving it. Do I want to do anything else now? Oh, well, let's set up these. So we have the oil. We need crude oil from the border crossing. We don't have none of our own, because there's nothing crude oil, because we don't have any sources of any natural resources. Because this is a joke, by the way, in a game, and not having natural resources. Why would anybody move into a region like, let's say, Soviet Union moving into Norilsk? Norilsk city doesn't need to exist, you know, like it's not a strategic harbor or anything, but it's just there because of the materials. You know, we need to have access to the materials sometimes in the maps. Open hull will need wood. We're gonna go for lumber. Lumber we can do ourselves as well, but I think the whole operation of making lumber is just not worth the hustle. How little lumber we're gonna import. And the last one is gravel. Gravel is gonna be, I'm gonna use the local sourced gravel. Let's go here, gravel, and then just deliver gravel. I will, depending on the successfulness of the chemical plant, I will build storages where they can do it, and then distribution office as well. We already have bypasses in place for the roads to be upgraded. Maybe they're gonna be even using this city road. It's fine for using for now, because it's not gonna be causing any problems. But anyway, this is more or less the progress where I would like us to go. I can see here happiness is dropped. It has dropped a bit. You can see that these people have problems as well. They have no access to a lot of stuff. This is again a little bit of an unfortunate situation happening. School is missing. Garbage containers are overfilled. This kind of issues. But yeah, again, this is something that we're gonna have to address as we go. Teething issues again. But yeah, hey ho. Beggars can't be choosers. But anyway, I'm definitely enjoying this. Oh, wait. This is gonna be in range, right? No, it should be in range. I'm pretty sure that this should be in range after when it's done. Interesting. Anyway, we're gonna cross that bridge when it comes to it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, share, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, you have the description of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.